Hey guys, are you tired of sending direct messages to someone but it keeps showing not sent? Today, I'll show you the best way to fix this issue. Kindly stay till the end so you don't miss a step. As you can see, all our messages keep showing not sent. Now, let me show you how to fix the issue. As you can see, our messages are now sending successfully. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.